Merry Christmas, everyone! I know it's been a long time, but I thought it would be fun to bring back an oldie but a goodie and throw a little reverse on it. So this is Daisy. Last time I did this, she was like 7 years old, maybe 6, I don't know. And I had made her into a Christmas tree. Her head was a Christmas tree. If you guys don't remember, I'll show you a little clip here. And now it's my turn. So Daisy's actually going to turn me into a Christmas tree. I have my Christmas tree dress on. We're heading to an ugly sweater Christmas party tonight. I thought this would be so fun. Are you ready for this challenge?
Yes.
And Daisy's told me that she would maybe want to become a hairstylist when she's older. So I think this is going to be a great little test for her to see if she really does want to become a hairstylist, because I'm sure everyone's going to be coming to her wanting the Christmas tree hairstyle. No? Okay, she knows I'm full of crap. No one's gonna ask for this, but maybe. You never know what the trends are gonna do. So we're gonna show you how to do it. The first things first is we bought from Hobby Lobby a floral foam. This is a 9-inch cone, and I dug a hole out of the bottom. You can kind of see in here a little bit. And I stuck a battery pack of lights. And then I hot glued it up the side. So now and then I also hot glued a bunch of cotton so it's a little bit softer so it's not pushing on my head. And so she's gonna go ahead and take this and secure it to my head with my hair. And then she's going to turn my head into a Christmas tree. So let's get going. Okay, go for it, Daisy. Good luck. What do you think you're gonna do first? Do you remember what I did?
No.
I'll have to instruct her a little bit.
Yes, you will.
So this is called the White Sands Liquid Texture Firm Hold Spray. This is what I used on Daisy, and this is what I'm going to be using it today because it's amazing and it works, and it basically turns your head into like a workable fabric. So your hair can be, it's amazing for just like everyday use for curls, but if you saturate the hair in this stuff and then let it air dry or blow dry it with a blow dryer, it turns into plastic basically, and it will stay all night long. So you're going to first put the cone on my head and then just start pulling the hair up, and just as you're holding the hair up, you're going to be spraying it.
I don't have 3 hands.
Yeah, I know. When you're a hairstylist, you're going to have to figure out how to have like 6 hands. So figure it out. Here's a hair tie. You can kind of use to like hold the hair up on the top a little bit as you're working. But this is going to be something that you grab the brush to. Grab that purple brush. It's going to be a mix of just making it. I'm a way better helper than you were when I was.
Well, sorry, I was 7.
I'm just saying, think about what I did for you.
Well, you are a trained professional hairstylist.
All right, we have another little elf here. This is Mrs. Claus. Just kidding, this is Ambry. She's 11. She has never gotten to experience the Christmas tree head herself, but she wants to do it on someone else. So maybe I'll let her do it on me another day. But she can just help today. She's gonna be Daisy's little helper. So now you have 4 hands, and now 6 with mine. So I told you you're gonna need 6 hands. Perfect.
Oh, okay. Brush this.
Nice. You guys think it's looking good?
Yep.
My arm is getting completely covered in hairspray.
Oh, that doesn't sound too happy. Why did you suggest to do this?
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, no more brushing is involved. Hands and slicking.
Slick.
Slunk. Okay, now you gotta start trying to figure out what to do with all this hair. You gotta start spraying it and brushing it straight up.
Shit.
No, it's good. It's real good. What do we do now? Oh my gosh. There's hair in my face. Where is it coming from?
I think we're supposed to hairspray, color it. Okay, there's
My hands are stuck together.
spray it.
Good luck.
Um,
Maybe start in the back. Oh, it's cold.
now you know what it feels like from my side.
I gotta breathe.
Turn on the best.
Oh my gosh. See? Turn on the fan!
Why do you think I wanted a towel on my face?
That's terrible.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's keep going. Hit me again, Daisy. Is it working?
Yes.
Open the door. Oh my gosh.
Mom, cover your face.
I need a break. I need a break. I gave you breaks.
Hey, you got a break.
Wait.
What?
I look like on the Nightmare Before Christmas, the doll that they make. Remember? Daisy, right here. Oh my gosh, you guys! It smells so weird.
Go
You
back
can go
up.
back
Yeah,
up?
go back up. Yeah.
We're done with this.
Okay, so now
Bye-bye.
we're gonna take a hairpin and just like shove it in right there.
Okay, Daisy. We're gonna spin mom again.
fabulous! Somebody looks fabulous!
Spin mom again. Right there in front of your face.
Yeah. This is fun! I like it!
Okay.
Okay, do it, Daisy. Oh, I think we need more decorations. You can see the elastic and there you go.
Back is
Yes! Perfect.
Right.
Oh my gosh, you guys! How do you like it? I hope you guys love it. I already have a massive headache. This is heavy. And I don't know how I'm gonna last another, let's see, the parties, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's in 5 hours.
And then the party's for like
And then,
another 5
yeah, I
hours.
don't know how I'm gonna last. But as of
Just
right
kinda,
now,
like,
I'm just
pull it
gonna go
up.
start making some content because what else do you do when your hair looks like this? I hope you guys loved it. Thanks for watching. Daisy, come here. I am so proud of you. How was that? You made this. You created
You
this.
helped a bunch.
Ashley, thank you for being the best Mrs. Claus helper. Like I said, nothing gets done in Christmas without Mrs. Claus. We all know this, right? Right, right. Let's see how long this can last before it breaks my head or breaks itself. I feel like every time I move my head, it's gonna break. I'm gonna be so proper. My posture's gonna be perfect today at this party. Oh,
Potty.
and here's the sad thing. If I decide to take it out, my hair is gonna look ridiculous.
It's just gonna be a troll. You're gonna be a troll.
No, I'm gonna be like, can I take a shower at my friend's house? And her shower would be completely green when we're done. So hopefully I don't end up having to bail and do that. But when you do something like this, you have to commit. It's like a full send. All right,
Now let's paint face cream.
give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Don't be a Grinch. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.